Okay, so today we are talking about lesson 10.3, which is multiply with mixed numbers. Okay, so as expected, our learning goal today is going to be we should be able to find the product of fractions and mixed numbers. When it says find products, what does that mean? What is a product? What is a product, Dara?
The answer of a multiplication problem.
The answer of a multiplication problem. So what do we expect? What kinds of things are we going to be multiplying today in order to find the product? What are we going to be multiplying? Satvika?
Since it says mixed numbers, fractions and whole numbers.
Good. What do we expect? What does mixed numbers mean? What is a mixed number? Swati?
Mixed numbers, a mix of a whole number and a fraction.
So a mixed number is a mixed number that has a whole number part and a fraction part, right? We talked about mixed numbers when we did addition and subtraction. Very good. And today we are going to find out how to multiply said numbers. Okay, here's the problem that we are going to be using today. It says, Max will juggle and do yo-yo tricks at his brother's party. Okay? The party will last 1 3/4 hours. Max plans to spend 2/3 of the time performing. How long will Max perform? So what is our mathematical problem that we are doing? It says he's going to spend 2/3 of the time performing. And how long is the party total? How long is the total length of the party? Carmel?
It's 1 3/4.
So he's going to be spending 2/3 of the 1 3/4 performing, right? 2/3 of the 1 3/4 hours. So what is the equation we can set up? Ruba?
1 3/4 multiplied by 2 and 3.
I'm actually going to write the 2/3 first because it's 2/3 of 1 3/4, right? So, but you're right. That it could have been okay the other way too. 2/3, originally it's 2/3 of 1 3/4 hours. And as we know, when we see the word of, we can go ahead and erase it and replace it with what, Ruba?
With the multiplying.
With the multiplication sign. Okay, so that's our equation that we can use to help us solve the problem, right? 2/3 times 1 3/4. You can go ahead and use a pencil, my dear.
Okay.
So here's step 1. Let's write that equation again. So it's 2/3 times 1 3/4. So which one is the mixed number? Shelly?
1 3/4.
Good, because it has a whole number part and a fraction part. So step 1, it says write the mixed number as an improper fraction. So which number are we going to change into an improper fraction? Sakshi? 1 3/4, because this is our mixed number. So how can I rewrite that to an improper fraction? What is an improper fraction again? Abiram?
Improper fraction is a fraction that has a numerator greater than the denominator.
Okay. So how can I change this to an improper fraction? Sakshi?
You can multiply the denominator with the whole number.
Well, first I want to change the whole number part into a fraction. So how can I change 1 into a fraction that has fourths in it? Riley?
You can do 1 4/4.
Good. So
1
would you agree that 1 is the same as 4/4? So then if I have 4/4 plus and then the fraction part 3/4, how many fourths do I have now? Aditya? 7/4. Good. So now let's rewrite the equation using our mixed number. So what would my equation now be, Jonathan? 7/4. Good. That is our new equation. Okay? Go ahead and make sure you write this down in your notebook. Okay, so then step 2 is to use common factors to simplify first, then multiply. Okay, so our equation was 2/3 times 7/4. So let's go ahead and write out the prime factorization. Is 2 a prime number? Good. Is 7 a prime number? Okay, let's keep it there. Is 3 a prime number? Okay. Is 4 a prime number? No. What are the 2 factors that will multiply to give us 4? Sawyer?
2 and 2.
2 times 2. Okay, are there any common factors in the numerator and the denominator? Ruba? And a 2 in the denominator. Good, so we can cross those out and make them into?
1.
Good, so let's now, did we finish simplifying? Yes? Now let's multiply. What's 1 times 7 in the numerator? Good. In the denominator, we have 3 times 1 times 2, which is?
6.
Okay, so our answer is 7/6. Then step 3. So we had 7/6. Oops. Okay. Says step 3 says simplify. Write the fraction as a mixed number if you can. Can we simplify 7/6? Can we write it as a mixed number? Erica. 1 and 1/6. Now, Daniel, we need to make sure we label the answers, don't we? So what would the label be in this case? 1 and 1/6 of an, Daniel?
1 and 1/6 of the time.
And what is the time measured in? Of an hour. Good. 1 and 1/6 hour is our final answer.